Iaho, Kadochikov, cu deporte.
E basquetbolista di Golden State Warriors Stephen Curry pa di dosay sa miglior jogador sa MVP di NBA. Curry alogra 131 voto di prensa deportivo que forma de jury. Curry di 28 anos também é o primeiro jogador que gana unanimemente, que me lá tur 131 voto. Na di dos lugares que da Howie Leonard di San Antonio Spurs e LeBron James na di 3 lugar. Tem duas seleções de basquetebol da treino para torneio internacional.
Klubova tem seleção U16 e U15 da treino para a direção de Antonio Dalbeiro. E para a seleção da conta com o Hopi, quando chega, e head coach Dalbeiro trabalhando o Hopi para melhorar a qualidade de basquetebol e jogar mais organizado.
Our idea is to try to bring this team to play an international tournament in Puerto Rico, so we are working on that. The second team is the U16, the U15. Some of them will come with the U15, so we try to mix them too. And this team will try to go to play in Guyana to play with the CBC games.
You happy to know how they are coming to the practicing and how they are doing their best?
Yeah, they are coming all. We are almost at least 12 players. So with the second group we are more because many of the U15 try to play with the U16. And so we have good number with good players to work on.
You have some assistant to give you a hand also?
Yes, right at the moment I have two assistants, Coach Richard and Coach Gilbert. We are working all together because I want to try to leave also some ideas to the local coaches to work on the local players.
So training is going at your satisfaction till now?
Yeah, I'm very satisfied because also the federation is giving everything to us, so everybody are working together, and that's the way.
And they got a dates where they're going to play international already, or not yet?
We know that the international tournament in Guyana is the first days of July.
July.
Yeah, so we are working to get ready for that date.
That day?
Yes.
And you will be ready?
I will be ready.
E 87 dias o falta para a abertura do Juegos Olímpicos na Rio de Janeiro. Informação do Banco Olímpico, Aruba Bank. Y televidentes, no olviden, mañana noche otro programa de Corazón para Deporte, otro programa interesante de estango de Corazón para Deporte. Y ya webs, nosotros tenemos otro programa de Río 2016. Rani?